Picture this. A message lands on your phone right now. Send me 1,000 bob. I'll turn it into 3,000 by Friday, guaranteed. Your thumb hovers over send. Don't move it yet, because in the next 7 minutes, I'm going to show you what's actually possible with 1,000 shillings, the real routes, the real risks, and exactly how to spot the moment someone's selling you a lie dressed up as an investment. This is Team BAWO. Let's get into it. Here's the thing about grow 1,000 into 3,000 plus. Everyone asks it as if there's one answer. There isn't. Because the real question hiding inside it is, how much time do you actually have? 3x in a week? That only happens in markets wild enough to triple your money, and just as easily erase it. 3x in a few months? Now you're talking real risk, real trading, or a real hustle, not something you set and forget. But 3x over a few years? That's the only version of this question with a genuinely low-risk answer, built on patience, not luck. Hold on to that distinction, because almost every guaranteed offer you'll ever see online is built by ignoring it, on purpose. Let me tell you about a guy I'll call Brian. Brian gets a WhatsApp forward, a group admin, 30,000 members, screenshots of payouts scrolling past every few minutes. He sends 1,000 bob on a Monday. By Thursday, his dashboard says 3,400. Feels real. He sends 5,000 more to unlock the next tier. That's the last withdrawal he ever sees. Brian isn't careless. He just didn't know the pattern. So let's make sure you do. Here's why KES 1000 specifically is such a popular number for scammers. It's small enough that losing it doesn't feel like a big risk to try. And it's small enough, multiplied across thousands of Kenyans, to build someone else a fortune. So here's your rule. Memorize this. Any offer promising a fixed guaranteed multiple of your money in a fixed time, double your money in 7 days, invest 1,000, walk away with 3,000 in a month, guaranteed. That is not an investment. That's either a gamble wearing a suit or a pyramid quietly paying yesterday's depositors with today's. 3 questions every single time before you send money. 1. Is this person or platform actually licensed by the CMA or regulated by the central bank? Can they show you, not tell you? 2. Does your payout depend on other people joining after you? Because that's the actual definition of a pyramid. 3. Can you explain in your own words what's actually generating the profit? If the answer is our expert traders or our AI system and nothing more, that vagueness is the answer. All right, the real routes, starting with the one you probably came here for. Crypto, Forex, speculative trading. This is the only lane where tripling 1,000 shillings in days or weeks is even mathematically possible without a scam involved, because these markets are genuinely properly volatile, and volatility cuts both ways. So if you're going in, go in with rules. Rule 1, that money is gone the moment you send it. Mentally, it's tuition, not a deposit. Rule 2, no leverage while you're learning. Leverage doesn't just multiply your wins, it multiplies your losses just as fast. Rule 3, never all in on one trade. And Rule 4, the one nobody likes, except that most trades lose. What makes a trader instead of a gambler isn't a lucky week. It's a process that survives the losing streaks. Here's a route most people skip past, looking for the flashier answer, and it's often the smartest one. Use the 1,000 bob as working capital, not as an investment, as stock. Buy something to resell, produce secondhand pieces, phone accessories, sell it at a margin, reinvest, and let that cycle repeat a few times. Or use it to cover the small cost behind a skill you already have. Design, tutoring, fixing things. Where your labor is doing the real multiplying, not the capital. Even something as simple as airtime or float, in the right spot with real margins. It's slower to brag about than I tripled it overnight. But it's the one route where the odds are actually in your favor, because you're trading on knowledge, not chance. And if you can stretch a certain period of time out to a few years, everything changes. Put small, consistent amounts into a money market fund, a SACCO, a unit trust, and reinvest the returns. Do that long enough, and yes, you'll multiply it several times over. Not because of the 1,000 shillings you started with, because of the habit of adding to it. This is the only version of 3x where the word guaranteed actually means something, because it's guaranteed by mathematics, not by anyone's promise. So 3 routes: speed, risk, and what's actually doing the work. Speculative trading, fastest, riskiest, and it's volatility doing the work. Most beginners lose, not triple. Speculative trading, fastest, riskiest, and it's volatility doing the work. Most beginners lose, not triple. Working capital days to months, moderate risk, and it's your own effort doing the work. Systematic saving, years, low risk, and it's compounding quietly doing the work. Notice the pattern? Every single legitimate route asks something of you. Your risk, your skill, or your time. There is no version where you give none of the three and still walk away with the multiple. None. Not one. Remember, Brian? Here's the version of that story that ends differently. Same message lands, same promise, except this time he asks 3 questions before he asks how much he'll make. Show me the license. Show me the asset. Show me the maths. Silence. And that silence tells him everything he needs to know.
Remember the investor? This story ends differently. He asks 3 questions first. Show me the license, show me the asset, show me the maths. So next time someone slides into your DMs promising to triple your money by Friday, you'll already know what to ask them. If they can't answer, you already have your answer.
This has been Team BAWO. Trade smart, protect your capital, and I'll see you in the next one.